All right, today we are going to make a slide. So let's go ahead and get a cube. And we need to size it down a little bit. And then we need to tab into it. And we need to create what's going on here? Nope. There we go. -0.8. Good to go. So 0.8 and -0.8. So now we need to grab these E to extrude them up. And about like that. All right, so now we can size this on the y-axis. There we go. And then we can come into here, grab these, extrude out, grab Z, well, not so much. Let's extrude out a little bit, grab Z, extrude out a little bit, grab Z, and then, well, probably would have been better either way. Okay, that's good. So now we just need to no. Hmm. Yeah, that's good. Okay. So now we need to rotate on the X axis, bring it up. And there we go. We have the top. Well, we have the slide itself. Now we just need a ladder. Okay, so now we need to take a cylinder. Actually, let's bring this over so it's a little bit easier. Grab this, bring it up. Size it. Grab it and bring it over here. There we go. And we can size it on the Z-axis. A little bit more. Grab it a little bit more. There we go. And then tab into it. See if I can grab the top. Yep, awesome. Extrude. Go up a little bit, rotate. Now, extrude up a tiny bit. There we go. Tiny bit. About right there. Okay. Now we can duplicate, grab Y. No, X. Okay, whatever. Rotate Z. 180. Die. All right, that should be good. A little bit more up. Oh, wait, no, that's too much. There we go. Now, rotate. Good to go. Actually, no. We'll use... Oh my. That's way too tall. That's still good. Okay. Duplicate these, grab them, and go up. And we don't need that one. Bring that in just a little bit, and those are good to go. Join. Awesome. All right, and there we have it, a slide. Nice. Okay, so now we just need to color it, and we're good to go. So this is is a grayish. And we can do. We'll do blue. And just to be fun, we'll make that blue too. All right, I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.